Hello, I'm a green school environmental teacher. We can feel that children in this picture are full of dream and hope for the future. Their smiles are like treasure, and the other generation is responsible for protecting the smiles. As of 2012, however, the Earth's average temperature has risen by 1.33 Fahrenheit. Global warming caused by human greed and selfishness has resulted in unprecedented drought, flood, heat wave, sea level rise, and desertification. And in May, 30 million people become climate refugees. Furthermore, our children are forced to face the climate change backlash created of their parents' generation. So we Daezayeon just wanted to let the youth look straight at a crisis due to climate change and know how the earth would change in this near future. And we met Little Daezayeon members in elementary, middle, and high schools, the place for the youth who are ready to proceed ahead for their dreams. We became environmentalists and worked together to make Green School. From now on, let me tell you what Daezayeon's Green School is. Green School is an organization for producing environmental leaders who will work to cope with climate change. All students and teachers of schools are aware of climate change crisis and active in energy conservation. It is the school that gives hope and dreams to the youth. Then, how is a Green School created? Through the signing ceremony for Green School, Daezayeon and Design Aid School agree on making a fort to create Green School. Green School signboard tells everyone that the school became a Green School. And the Green School inauguration ceremony with all students of school introduces the purpose and goal of Green School and draw interest and participation from the students. Through the environmental seminars for the whole school, students are aware of the seriousness of global warming. Through the environmental campaigns, they get interested in environment which seems boring to the students and can result to be environmentalists. We cannot omit environmental festivals. Environmental performance, quiz, and exhibition on climate change during the festival are a good program enough to help people recognize seriousness of climate change. Environmental Ball helps them not to forget how precious the earth is. In order to lead educational officials to participate in making Green School, Daezayeon holds seminars to train the educational officials' consciousness of environment so that we can create Green School all together. Through environmental seminars and training programs for school parents, we aim to students can have environmental education from their parents at home and practice what they learn in their daily lives. We produce global environmental leaders like Al Gore by providing systematic environmental education for each group together with various activities such as making an eco soap, eco lip balm, eco bag, EM mud bowl, and so on. We also hold cleanup campaigns and no leftover campaigns and try to find new ones. Environmental camps are good enough to increase students' interest on environments while they have time together with university students, environmentalists, and environmental leaders from other schools. Through the Eco Tour, students can widen their perspective on environment. These are overall programs of Green School. Then, what should our Green School be like? The way to make green world through Green School is establishing Global Green School Network. Let me explain to you. Through the Global Green School Network, we try to promote exchange among green schools in Korea, developing countries, and developed countries. By learning exemplary cases of the developed countries and supporting green schools in developing countries, Daezayeon is building up the Global Green School Network to make the youth of the world environmental leaders. It will be of no use if a small number of schools among numerous schools of the world become green schools. In order to see a notable result in coping with climate change, every elementary, middle, and high school of the world, as well as those of Korea, will become green schools to produce environmental leaders. Then the future generation will be a generation whose members are considerate of environment, and they can realize the green world where all people of the world are become one to cope with climate change. This is the Daesayon's vision for the Green School and for the bright future our generation and our children's generation. You may know well about Al Gore, who is the former Vice President of the United States. He is an environmentalist and awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 2009. He became interested in environment because he met his mentor Roger Revelle, a climate expert, when he was a teenager. Schools can become both the main culprits of climate change, emitting an enormous amount of greenhouse gases, and open place for education, producing a self-devoting environmentalist like Al Gore. We believe that Daesayon members can play a role like Roger Revelle and will not stop until all little Daesayon members become like Al Gore, who is a hero in the age of climate change. We eagerly hope that the passion of university students who try to protect our future against global warming can make all students in the world become Green School so that we can live on the green world.
After watching Daesayon report, I realized that it's not only a problem of theirs, but it's a problem of ours also. Therefore, since I'm a student, president of Daesayon Middle School, I will try my best to show all their details.